Shahi Paneer. Now this is a very rich dish and you cannot have it on daily basis, but once in a while it's really amazing. So guys, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making restaurant style Shahi Paneer. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you are first to know whenever I upload a new recipe, and it's free. So why wait? Now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need 250 grams of malai paneer. Now this is my homemade paneer. If you want to learn how to make malai paneer, do check on my channel as well as on my website. You can find it and it's very easy to make, and I definitely recommend making homemade paneer for this dish. Then you're going to need 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of fresh cream which is malai, and 3 tablespoons of dahi which is curd. You're also going to need 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 mild green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 15 to 16 kaju which is cashews. Now I'm going to make a paste of onion, green chili and cashew and remove it in a bowl. Then I'm going to make a paste of the tomato and remove it in a separate bowl. Now for the masalas, you're going to need 1 tej patta which is bay leaves, 4 to 5 cloves which is long, 2 cinnamon sticks which is dalchini, 8 to 10 black pepper which is kali mirch, 1 big cardamom which is badi elaichi, 3 green cardamom which is elaichi, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera which is cumin seeds, then Kashmiri red chili powder about 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of sugar which is shakkar, and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of pure ghee. You can also use butter if you wish, and some salt, and that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So guys, I have our paste ready, and here is the onion, green chilies and cashew paste, and here is the tomato puree. And now let's keep them aside. And in a kadai, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of ghee, which is clarified butter. But if you wish, you can always add oil or butter. And once the ghee is a bit hot, let's add our whole garam spices. So starting with bay leaves, then the cloves, cinnamon stick, black pepper, big elaichi and green elaichis, and of course the shahi jeera which is nothing but cumin seeds. And once the cumin seeds start to sizzle, then I'm going to add the onion, green chili and cashew paste and mix it all in. So guys, don't forget to keep stirring our paste continuously. Because of the presence of the cashew in the onion and green chili paste, there is a possibility that the paste might stick to the bottom of the pan. After a minute, let's add the ginger garlic paste and mix it in as well. And now let's cook it for the next 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, let's add the salt and the Kashmiri red chili powder, followed by the garam masala, and now mix it all in and cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, let's add the tomato puree and mix it all in. And now let's cook it for the next 4 to 5 minutes or until the tomatoes are fully cooked. Once the tomatoes are cooked, let's add the curd which is dahi, and make sure that the curd is not sour. And then the fresh cream and the sugar. And now let's mix everything in. Make sure that at this time the flame is on low, and now cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of water and let's mix it in. And now let's add 1 cup of milk, and you guessed it right, we are again going to mix it in. and keep stirring it for the next 2 minutes. You can turn the flame on medium at this point. After 2 minutes, let's add the paneer pieces and gently mix that in as well. Make sure the paneer is properly covered with the gravy. And then let's cover and cook on a medium flame for the next 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's remove the lid and our dish is looking so amazing. So without any further delay, let's remove it in a serving bowl and serve while it's hot. So guys, you saw how easy it is to make restaurant style Shahi Paneer. The key to this is to make homemade malai paneer to get that really soft texture, and do serve it with some homemade garlic naan, for which again I have the recipe online. So do check it out. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button right here. Do it right now. And if you do like this recipe, I'm sure you're going to like this one as well as this one. So don't forget to click on these links, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.